Today, I wanted to do a Freestyle Friday. It's been a while, and I just want to play with some makeup today and use my plethora of eyeshadow palettes. So if you're interested in seeing some wild, crazy, impromptu look, then just keep watching. If you aren't familiar with what a Freestyle Friday is, I have done at least maybe 2 on my channel. It's where I pick a color out of a box, and then I do an eye look based off of that. So I have done black and pink so far, so if I draw those 2, I'm going to pick something else because I want to do something else. Here we go. Yellow. Okay, I've never worked with yellow shadows before, so let's see what I can come up with, I guess. I got my 35B Color Burst palette. Sorry, the jets, of course. It is early in the morning, and that's when they fly. This is the 35B Color Burst palette by Morphe. It has a wide selection of colors, and obviously I'll be working with these 2. I don't know, I haven't never done a yellow eye look before. Let's just play. I mean, I'm always nervous trying to do makeup with different colors, but that's what the point of this is to try makeup with different colors. Okay, let's go. Let's do this thing. I've got my color switch. Let's start with the transition tone. I'm just going to take Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula and just work that up in the crease. And there are really only 2 yellow shades in here. This might just be really simple. Like, it doesn't have to be crazy smoky eye dynamics, right? It could just be a springy yellow, right? On my BH Cosmetics 102 brush, it's just a flat packing brush, I'm going to take this bright-ass yellow shade right at the bottom of the palette, and I'm going to put it right there. I don't know if yellow looks good on me. Like, I like clothing, yes, but I've never put on yellow eyeshadow. Yellow is one of my favorite colors. Yellow and black. Not usually together. People are always like, yellow and black, it makes you look like a bumblebee. Like, well, but why not? Bumblebees are adorable, and they are dying, and they are important to us. So. I'm so excited for my trip in our favorite rocket ship going through the night. I'm very, very, very excited to get out of here. This is a little patchy. My eyelids were already primed before we started this, just by the way. Taking my Real Techniques base shadow brush. I can't say that. Too many S's. Just gonna really make sure that's all pigmented as it can get. Work it up in the crease and blend it all together with the Butter Bronzer. It's weird. This part is looking like brown. I want to take the shiny shimmery yellow. I put that in the inner half of the eye. So, cleansing off this brush. That's pretty nice. I think it's sticking really hard on this one spot on my eye, and I don't know why. I'm one of those people who, when they go on their trip, they overpack. I definitely am an overpacker. Like, I take way too many clothes, way too much makeup, and too many books. Too many books with me, too. I want to deepen out this outer corner, but I don't know what to use. I could go in with like an orangey color. It might be too much, though. It doesn't have to be smoky. It can just be a natural. A natural eye look. What? Okay, I'm gonna put on my face makeup and then I'll be back to do the under eye. As per usual. My hair. I have not done my hair today, so that's why it's a little wild. So I got my face makeup on. Got the under eye set right now, so I'll kick off that powder. I can finish up the under eye. And for that, I'm going to go back in with Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. I don't know if I'm going to do yellow on the under eye. I might do something else, like a pop of color. I kind of want to do green in the under eyes. Starting off with this really lime green one. So. I'm going to take just a tiny amount of that green on the Expert Crease Brush by Real Techniques. Tap it off, and I'm kind of like tapping off a lot of the pigment. Touch, touch, touch on a towel that's right here. On this tiny BH Cosmetics 105, it's like a really long tapered pencil brush. I'm going to take this shimmery green. Tap off the excess, and we're gonna go right in here. And that did nothing. Nice. All it's doing is removing my concealer. So maybe I'll wet it. I'm gonna wet that with some Milani spray. See if that'll make anything come up. Just press it. So, there we go. Yep, just pressing it instead of swiping it. For highlighting, I'm going to take the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek Highlight in Flexitarian. Just a little bit on a finger. It gives it that really nice wet highlight that I didn't know I liked until just a couple days ago. And then I blend it all together with my blending brush. Again, for the inner corners right here. Nice and wet looking. Okay, I'm gonna put on the rest of my face, basically. And then I'll be back. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I did my blush and bronzer and highlight using the Physicians Formula Butter Collection palette. I also filmed a review doing that, so I will link that somewhere. Be sure to check that one out if you are interested in this product. If you enjoyed this Freestyle Friday, make sure to subscribe to the channel, join the Crampton crew, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Okay, I'm hopefully going to remember to do an outro, but in the case, these smell like Crayola watercolors. I don't even know if I'm in shot. How awkward would that be? Oh gosh. Okay. That one spot is driving me weird. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket. And that glow though. That's definitely. I'm still recording, aren't I? Just trying to take some screenshots, guys, so I could do the thumbnail. I went on. I enjoyed this look. I think it looks so springy. I don't know, is May still spring? Yeah, I mean, it's not even close to summer, but I mean, it feels like summer because we're not in school anymore. Well, I'm not in school anymore. So yeah.